I don't say many of them will chase it to solve this kind of WAEC question. It is very hard on our life. Today I will show now the very easy method we will use and go solve them very fast to get our answer. So that when we see this kind of question for WAEC, now we attend them. So we'll read out the question. In a class of 40 students, a student can offer French or history or both. If 20 offer French, 23 offer history, and 6 offer neither, how many students offer both subjects? So they ask us to find how many do both French and both history. So we will use Venn diagram. This one they get 2 methods, but this video we use Venn diagram. So now don't draw the diagram. We will put this side na universal set. The number of students we do all. So we go write down universal, and the number of students we do all now 40. So we write 40 here. Then number of people we do French now 20. So we go write 20 here. But the answers will find people we do 2. That means intersection of the 2. And we don't forget our number of people we do French. If we don't know the people we do the 2 of them, so we go write minus x here. Also for history, the number of people we do history 23 minus x. Now the number of people we do history. Then you can say 6 no do any of them. Go right and outside this cycle. So we put in 6. So to find this x, we go here. We will equate the universal to everything. Now we'll add all of them right here. We follow on step by step. X plus this x plus this 23 minus x and plus this 6. Now the method we will use to find the x. So we write our 40 here, 20. You bring all the numbers together. Then you see minus x plus x. It just be like 1 minus 1 plus 1. So now them now only minus x they mean here. So minus x. So now 40, 20 plus 23 plus 6. If you press your calculator, it will give you 49. So we write 49 minus x. So now we will collect like terms. That means number meet number, then x will remain alone. So 40 minus 49 equal minus x. And so we will solve that. So 40 minus 49 will give us minus 9. Then equal to minus x. So now this minus will cancel this minus. Our x will be equal to 40 to equal to 9. So you don't see using this simple method we don't solve this question. Very easy, but it is a hard question. So go check out this video of mine. I solve by using another method down they call a formula method. I use formula to solve question like this. So I beg me don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that will encourage me create more videos like this. Thank you.